this clip, I want to share with you the method I use to sharpen scissors. I assume you use scissors for simple home applications such as cutting paper, tape or fabric. In this case, you can sharpen your scissors with a simple method. In this method, you don't need to have a rasp at home, you only need a cutter blade. Here we have 3 scissors. The smallest scissors do not work well. As you can see, the last third of it can't cut the paper. This part of the scissors can't cut the paper. From here to here nothing's wrong, but there's a problem from here to here. Let's see one time more. You can see here's not working. The 2 blades of the scissors were slightly angled at each end. First, with a little pressure, we bring the 2 blades of the scissors a little closer together. Push this blade to this direction and another blade of scissors to opposite direction. Now you need a cutter to sharpen the blades of scissors, which I think can be easily found anywhere. To sharpen the scissors, you must move the cutter blade parallel to the cutting surface of the scissor blade, like this. Don't touch this side of the scissors blade at all. Many make this mistake and ruin the scissors forever. You can also use the back of the cutter blade to sharpen. Okay, please see what happened. This scissor is quite sharp, and as you can see, the problem is solved. Sharpening the scissors in this method doesn't require special tools and can be done very quickly. Okay, let's do this work with another one. Sometimes you use scissors to cut the tape and the tape sticks to the edges of the scissors that you have to remove it. If I want to show you from above, the edge of the scissor blade has a cutting surface with a slope of about 70 to 75 degrees, which you have to place the cutting blade parallel to this cutting surface and then move it. Listen to the sound of scissor closing. This is the sound of a healthy and sharp scissor.
Good.
Thank you so much for watching this movie. Hope this clip be useful for you. Wish you all the best. Good luck.